All right, so it is currently 11:45 at night. My family is on the way here to pick me up so we can go to our vacation. I haven't revealed what it is yet. Nothing too extravagant, nothing too crazy. But yeah, it's 11:45 at night. The drive that we're taking is 11 hours away, 11, 12 hours away. So we're gonna be driving through the night and we'll get to where we need to be. I guess I would say I'm excited about it. Anything that I can do with my family, I love. The only thing is that this particular thing that we're doing is my first time doing whatever. So I did my hair. It's a little different. I usually always do straight hair, but I did curly hair. You'll get to see it better in the vlog. But I did curly hair because it matches the texture of my natural hair, meaning if I get my hair wet, I won't have to worry about going in and flat ironing it because I love my hair straight, but I just don't want the damn it, my arm keeps falling. I don't want the inconvenience of having to keep going and flat ironing it every day or having to wrap it through the night. So this is just much easier. I got my nails done. They're white. What do you guys think? And these are my real nails because I didn't want to do tips. I'm not good with tips. When I have tips, I can't do nothing and I can't be convenient in life. But yeah, so I am waiting for them to get here. I'm just, oh God, I'm so nervous, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Let's see. I was gonna say something else and I completely forgot because I thought I left my mind. Yeah, so you can kind of see my hair probably a little better here, but here it is. So it's just curly. All I got was some beaver tops. So, and I'm starving. So, I'm gonna eat my beaver tots. They look good. I just didn't see anything else I wanted. Here's where you walk in. So that's my front door. We've got two closets. The bathroom is really small. Really small. And then it's a stand-up shower, thank goodness. Let's see. So in order to keep my lights on in the room, we have to have one of our cards in this pocket at all time. I'm sharing this room with my stepsister. Because we really wanted to make sure we got a balcony, but I didn't want to pay for one on my own because that would have been a whole lot of money. Like, I think like $3 grand maybe, something like that. So yeah, her bed, my bed. We've got us a nice big TV, little table area, the ship. So we bought our own water, but if you buy water from the cruise, this is how much you're gonna be paying. No, ma'am. And then a little fridge. So each carry-on can bring a bottle of wine. So I did bring a bottle of wine. They gave us some cute little towels. I don't know if I can take these with me. Nope, $22 per towel. You can have that, man, but I'll use it. Just my stuff. So we have our main window to the room. And then just like curtains that you can like open and close, but these are probably gonna stay open because it makes me feel claustrophobic otherwise. Patio door. So if you come out here, it's like a little sun area, and then just like some tables and chairs. And here's the patio. So we haven't left yet. Sorry about the noise. We're literally right at the front of the ship. So they're just getting things done, and it looks like they're cleaning over there. But yeah, so we're literally right at the front of the ship, and this is where we're docked. We're in Orlando. It's beautiful down here. So yeah, and then my dad and his wife are next door. So this is the room tour. Okay, thought I locked myself out. But it's gonna be a fun trip. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah. So let the fun begin.